Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up the Canon PIXMA TR4520 printer on your Windows, macOS, or Linux device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser. Doesn't matter which one, but we're going to just open up Microsoft Edge. And you want to search for Canon PIXMA TR4520 support. Go ahead and search for that. Best match should be a Canon domain here. This is Canon support for PIXMA TR4520. Go ahead and open that up. And now that we are in here, you want to just scroll down underneath downloads and select software and drivers. And now that we've expanded that selection, you want to select the TR4500 series full driver and software package. Select download and give that a moment, and then just select out download once it's finished. Should be a verified publisher from Canon Inc. Select yes and give that a moment, and then select start setup and then select next. And then select yes to the end user license agreement. Then you can select either Wi-Fi or USB connection, depending on your preference for connection type. And then you just would select next and then just let it continue to install here. And then just follow along with whatever recommendations it makes on the screen, depending on, again, your situation. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.